Hey guys, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today I'm going to share one interesting recipe guys, and this recipe is very famous in Delhi, and it will come under the street food of Delhi. So today I'm going to share the recipe of fruit chaat and how to make fruit chaat at home with the basic fruits which is available in your fridge. So I added some grapes, some watermelon and banana and some peach. So you can add any fruit guys, you can add mango, anything that is up to your taste, what fruit you want in your fruit chaat. And I'm going to add some masalas. So the first thing I'm going to add is chaat masala. So I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of chaat masala, a little bit more. It gives a nice taste guys. Half a teaspoon of black salt, that is kala namak, and freshly grounded cumin seeds powder, and I'm going to mix all these things. And I'm going to add some fresh lemon juice in the fruit salad guys, fruit chaat. And you have to mix these things again. Nice smell guys. And you can keep this one in the fridge and you can give it to your kids in the back from school. And I'm going to add some fresh mint leaves into this fruit salad. And I'm going to put this fruit salad in the serving bowl guys. So I'm going to add, so you can add any fruit that is up to your taste. As I said, you can add mango, apple, anything guys. So I added the fruit in this serving bowl, and I'm going to add some fresh mint in this top, and my yummy fruit salad is ready guys with the fork. So yeah, can you see guys, it's very nice and very easy to make at your home. So yeah, see you soon in my another cooking video guys. If you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.